In this video, we will show you how to create a pop-up in GoHighLevel. You can see here, in the previous video, we already show you how to create contact us form. You can see we already create this form. And in this version, how if we want to using this form using a pop-up. To do that, it's very easy. You can go to your dashboard. Okay, after you open your dashboard in GoHighLevel, just select sites. After that, select your websites. Then go to your website and select the page that you want to edit. For example, we want to edit the contact us. Okay, we click this and select the contact us pages. Just click edit after that. In the GoHighLevel, on every settings of the website, there have a default configuration for pop-up. If we don't add anything of this pop-up, the pop-up will not appear. Okay, we will show you. You can see you can click this layer. Okay, you can see on every pages it will have the pop-up menu in here. Just click this and select click pop-up, and the pop-up settings will appear. To add the content, we can just click add row. For example, we add the column. After that, we can add the element. For example, we find for our form, just click form. Okay, then select our previous form that we already created. This is, and after that, we can click save and publish. Okay, in the pop-up settings, there are many configuration in there. You can see on the right panel, the element name is pop-up. You can also disable pop-up by enable this toggle. And for the width, you can using full page, medium, or small. If for example using full page, okay, show pop-up on exit, or you can delay. Okay, let's the position is center and click save. After that, we can click publish. Okay, after all it's done, we can try to reloading our previous contact us. Just make many reload until the pop-up appear, because if one reload, usually it will not appear. Let's try to using go to home and go to contact us. Okay, this is the contact us is appear in pop-up. Let's reload again. Okay, you can see the pop-up is showing in exit, so it longer needed a time. Let's configure in another using show pop-up on. There is just delay 1 second until the page is rendered, and then click publish. Okay, then let's preview again. Wait until the page is rendered, the pop-up will appear. Now you can see the pop-up is done. We successfully create a pop-up on GoHighLevel. And that's all tutorial how we can create a pop-up in GoHighLevel. And thanks for watching.